Hello, welcome to the Balabet application video guide. We will now look at how to easily download and install the Balabet application. Since the app works on both Android phones and Windows desktop computers, the process is similar for both. First, we need to open our main website. The address is balabet.app. Once the page opens, you will see options for the platform you want to install on. If you are on Android, you can select the APK file directly. If you are on a desktop or laptop, choose the file for Windows. Then click Download to get the application. Although we are currently demonstrating this on Windows, the steps are the same for Android. Once you select your file type, the download begins immediately. After the file downloads, we proceed to installation. On the computer, click Install to set up the application. The process is identical on Android. The application is now installed. Let's open it by clicking the Balabet icon. Even though the interface looks slightly different between the computer and the phone, the services provided and the way they function are exactly the same. Let's look at the main features together.